Should we wash raw chicken? Now, I'm from India, and the practice there was that we would go to the poultry where the live chicken would be dressed right in front of us after whatever it is supposed to be done, cleaned and given to us. We would bring that home, wash it, and then prepare the chicken. Now, after coming to Canada, that is not the case. We get chicken like this from the store. And here I learned recently that it's not a good practice to wash because the bacteria can contaminate the sink. And also, if you fear of salmonella, that will not go away with just washing. So, the best way to cook this is take this raw chicken and then use it directly without washing. I am from south of India. A lot of people have misconception that we are vegetarian, which is not. Just carefully cut open the chicken like this, and then now chicken is ready to be sliced, diced, and cooked. Here you can see that the store-bought chicken has a lot of this slimy water, and this will only make it worse if we wash it again. Just clean it, bring it out. So I take the skin out. Removing the fat from chicken. These are all fat. Taking out the excess fat. Skin and fat has been separated. I always buy a whole chicken from the store, and this way I'm able to cut the right size as we want to consume. So that is something also because of the way we have been brought up.